Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, we're going to be talking about artificial intelligence, or AI, and how we can generate some really good income on a daily basis using artificial intelligence and the world's largest freelancing platform. It's basically the Amazon of services, where you can go and buy things if you need things done in your business online. But in this video, we're going to be focusing on how you can make this into a full-time income if you really wanted to, and you have the desire and the drive to do it. Then you can actually sell services on this platform. And you can see that like right here in this premium version of what they're selling, right? They're selling emails, right? They're writing only 5 emails for a company and they're charging them $130. And when you're using the power of what we're going to do today using artificial intelligence, it is super easy. We can write 750 words in a matter of minutes using different AI softwares. There's plenty of AI softwares to pick from, but I've got a very unique one that was created specifically for email marketing and email copywriting, as well as it has many different niches that you can actually use to laser target your audience on this platform. Now, what platform are we talking about selling our services? Well, we're talking about Fiverr.com, right? And here's one gig right here where this guy has 5 orders in his queue. He will copyright your emails to skyrocket sales. His basic order is $45, right? $45 for 150 words. He can probably do this in 10 minutes. Before we jump into today's video, I want to address a poll that I put out on my channel a few months ago. The question I asked was, how much money do you make online per month? I received 176 votes and an overwhelming 61% said they make $0 and they are still trying. The reason I created this channel, Teach Me Money Methods, was to help show people how to make money online and specifically with affiliate marketing. For those of you that are still trying to find that method or strategy to start making money online and finally build a real business online, I have something special for you. No, it's not some program asking you for $1,000 to start a business. It's actually free to start, then you can decide to pick up the full business package for just $25 per month. If you pick up the $25 package, you get the software and training you need in order to build a real business online and earn commissions like I am each month. Even better, it is filled with the most powerful, kind-hearted, selfless community on the planet. You can plug in to our weekly mastermind calls and learn from expert marketers just how to start making money online. Click the first link in the description to see what I'm doing these days to make 80% commissions, and the best part is, it is reoccurring, so you're building a stable monthly income. Now let's get back to today's training. And he may or may not be using the power of AI, but most people today that want to be efficient in their business are going to use some form of AI to help them generate content and ideas. We're over here on standard is 85 and premium as 130. So if we go through and we go back to the dashboard, right? You can sign up. Now, I used to sell services on Fiverr. I don't anymore, but this is one of the best places I recommend if you're starting out and you have not made any money online. Then this is a perfect place. And this helped me launch my online career, where I'm now doing full-time internet marketing, affiliate marketing, making over 5 figures a month online. And so here we're looking at this, and you're going to go up here under switch to buying, right? We're going to go up here and I type in email copywriting. You can also go into digital marketing and go into email, and you're going to see that there's thousands and thousands of services, about 60,000 services, that people are offering. But so you're going to want to niche down, right? Or niche down, however you guys want to say. There's always a debate, tomato, right? But here we are. I type in specifically email copywriting, right? So what I do is I open up all of these gigs on the top sellers, right? And we go and look at them. And then what I like to do is scroll down a few lines, and then I open up somebody else down here as well. I look at, see how many reviews they have. And even this one right here, 4.7, I think you're going to be surprised. They still have orders, right? So they still have 2 orders in their queue and they only have a 4.7 star. So you don't even have to have a 5-star anymore. It used to be back in the day where you really didn't get orders if you didn't hold a 5-star rating. The rating system has changed a little bit since then. But look, one killer email, $20, takes her 10 minutes and she makes $20. Standard, $100 for 5 emails, and premium is $250, right? So I opened up all these up here at the top and we'll go look at those as well. So they have 2 orders in the queue right here, $50, $145, and $240, right? Then we come back over here again, 2 orders in the queue right here, $30, $90, and premium is $180. And you can even, people can subscribe and you can just write their emails for them on a weekly or monthly basis. We'll come back over here and look at this other one over here, 2 orders in the queue, $15, standard is $35 and premium is $60. So as you can see, we come back over here, Fiverr, you can click on any of these. They're going to have orders in their queue. So there's definitely a need for this, right? And what we can do is niche down. I'm going to say niche right now. I'm trying to train my brain to say niche because I think most people use niche. I naturally say niche. Drop a comment below. Let's be interactive and let me know if you, and you can spell it out like NEESH if that's how you pronounce it, like niche, right? Drop a comment below how you pronounce it. Niche, NIT. CH, just put that, even though that's not the way you spell it, right? Put those kind of pronunciations down below in the comments on how you like to call a niche or niche. All right, so here we go, guys. So this is the strategy. Go to Fiverr, sign up as a seller, and we're going to create a gig based on one of these gigs here, right? You can just take one of these, like this guy right here. Wow. He starts at $100, right? 189, almost 200 5-star reviews. Boom. We click on this. Here's this guy. He starts at $100 for 2 emails, 100 words per email. Sometimes the length of the email is actually not a benefit to people reading emails. They want a couple sentences and then that's it, right? You have a standard at $250 and you can offer 9 emails. I would just say top it off, say 10 emails or something and $400, right? So how are we going to do this? How are we going to go about creating this kind of content, right? So once you sign up on Fiverr, I'm not going to show you how to go to Fiverr and sign up as a seller. It's very, very easy. You just click a button, you put in your information, and now you're a seller. You'll start off at the low level. They have different levels. And you can put up to about 7 gigs to start in the beginning. And that's more than enough to start getting some traction, right? All right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to be using a tool called Email Writer. Okay. So this Email Writer tool can create email campaigns and packages. So we can actually offer even more than what they're offering on Fiverr. We can outdo the competition, and we can even lower our price range a little bit in our gigs to start off, and you will get orders, trust me. So here we go, Email Writer. And if you want to pick this up, it's only available for a lifetime discount for the next 6 days right here. 6 days. It's available still on this site called AppSumo. You can pick it up for as low as $59, and then you'll have access to it, lifetime access to it. And I really recommend this tool. It's one of my top email writing tools. If you miss out on this offer, then you'll just go to this site after you see this email or after you see this video and it's 6 days from now, then you can still go to Email Writer and go to pricing and look and pick a plan and still use their services. Okay, so then what you're going to do is you're going to log in, and of course, here's the dashboard, and there's different ways we can create our content. If you create a new project, right, you can go custom sequence or you can do a done for you sequence. Now, both are really good. You'll have a little bit more control over if you do the custom sequence, but the done for you sequence, we'll click right over here. And right here, you can see all these different niches right here. I mean, just almost all the main topics that you would think of are here, right? And like right over here, when you look at this, we've got the real estate. These are emails you can use to promote your real estate business. You can create emails for both buyers and sellers. They have weight loss, dating, relationship, affiliate marketing, beauty and skincare, self-help, and more, right? And so once we go in and pick real estate, that's what we're going to do. Let's pick real estate. Then it's going to open up, and then now you're going to have a bunch of other different options. Now we can select the type of email that we want. So cold seller leads, right? So you can actually create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could actually create 5 gigs in itself just for the real estate niche inside of Fiverr, and you could dominate that niche inside of Fiverr, right? Okay, so you have cold buyer leads, and then you have buyer leads email sequence, buyer clients email sequence, and seller clients email sequence. So here's probably the most common one, right? Buyer leads email sequence. You land on a real estate agent's website and you put in your email address and you join their newsletter. Well, these would be the emails that they would send out to try to kind of convince you, build a relationship with you, that they are the right agent for you. You'd be writing these emails for the real estate agent that they would be sending those to future customers, right? So let's just say view your email right here. Give your project a name. I'm just going to say test, continue. Then you're going to go through a bunch of different questions, right? So download your freebie. So if you're giving away like a free tips on how to buy, look for the best home, right? And so you can see right here, it's going to have your first name. You asked for my freebie titled blank. So we'll be able to go through here, email. So these are already done for you. You can come through here and based on like, let's say you create your gig over here, right? And someone like in here, you're going to be able to ask them what their company name is. Wow. So this guy is actually wrote emails for Nike. So you can put in there, what's the name of your company, what the purpose is, what is your lead magnet, so then get that information. And then you would be able to come through here and actually, you asked for my ebook about how to find the perfect home, something like that, right? And you could even just delete that part. Okay. So the yellow is where you're going to switch. You just want to come through here and let's just say that their name is Jennifer, Jennifer Smith. So then this one would be starting tomorrow. I will be sending you info and resources about buying a home thing that I think you'll love. Look at this. And then the download can be right here. So you would just come through here and you could ask them for that link, right? And you would just come through here, insert link, and you would put in the link right there. Okay, so then that email would be done. And then right here, you can say download your freebie or download your tips for buying the perfect house. So look at this. Email 1's done. Boom. Now we go email 2 and then so forth, right? So we would come through here and we would just, we want to pay the most attention to everything that's in yellow is what it's asking us to go in and fix. Okay. So that's how this one would work. Email sequence 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9 emails. Okay. So check this out, guys. Okay. So there's 9 emails right here. Okay. Let's go back. Something that just rings a bell from what I've seen. Look at this. This guy is premium package. He will do 9 emails. So good, you'll swear there's a salesman in your customer's box. All right. So let's go back over here and just look at these emails. Okay. So if I copy this and we go to a word counter tool, I'm going to throw this in. And I want to see how many words this is. 160 words. So you're promising 100 words, you're delivering 160, and your customer on Fiverr is going to be more than happy. Like, whoa, these are really in-depth emails. Okay. So check this out. I bet you this guy might be using this software, right? You get 6 right here for $250. He might be charging $400, 9 emails right here, and we can get these 9 emails created right here. Look, 9 emails right here. Boom. Okay. So that's what you would do with the create your project done for you sequence. Now, real quick, I want to go one more in here, and let's just say you're going to set up something for a health and fitness site, right? And boom, soap opera. So this is going to be nurturing story-based emails right here. Okay. They have every kind that you can think of, right? So we can go continue. Now you come through here and you have email sequence 1, email sequence 2, email sequence 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have 7 right here. Okay. I bet you if he sells this package in this niche under fitness, then he would just go and write the additional 2 emails in with other methods, right? So you can see how you can just come through here. You get highly professional written. This software hired writers for thousands of dollars, professional copywriters to go out and write all this stuff for you. All you have to do is go and change the yellow out, which is super cool. And make sure, of course, read through it, spend the time. But within 30 minutes, you could have 7 to 9 emails created and sent off, and you can make some really good money. Okay, so then we can come through here and go into here. I want to show you the custom sequence section, right? Custom section, we're going to go into real estate again, right? And you can see right here that you have cold seller leads, reactivation sequence, cold buyer leads email sequence. Okay, so that's the one right here that that we want to look at. Okay, so we're going to click on that one and come back in here. I'm just going to say test again, continue. And it's a little different this time, guys. So now, and you may want to do this. All you would do is just send this questionnaire to your customer on Fiverr, right? And then you could put all this stuff in here, right? So we're going to say, Peter, what is the, so test.com, what is the name of your city? So let's just say that we are in, and how many years of experience do you have in real estate? So let's say 6 years in experience. What is the phone number? 555, boom, boom, boom. Okay, so then you push the next button. What is the name of the prospect you want to send this email to? And then what is the, so you might skip that part. You might just put name. What is the email address? Okay, and so forth. You fill all this stuff out. Okay, book. What is the name of the freebie? Top tips for buying your first home. Which city? Boom. Okay, so you fill all that out. You push next. Insert a testimonial. So I'm just going to put test here. Test. So you're going to create. Now it's going to go out there and actually formulate your custom email sequence, right? So you have your email right here, and it's already done for you. So if you fill all that out correctly, now you have this completely done for you custom email sequence. Email 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 emails are created, and it's already done. It's done for you. You don't even have to go in and edit it because we filled out everything, right? Look, phone numbers right there, San Francisco. It is done for you. So a super, super cool way that you can create emails, and you can come through here. I've shown you the proof. This is happening like clockwork on Fiverr right here. Look, 3 orders in the queue right here. Boom. 2 orders in the queue. Boom. 2 orders in the queue. 2 orders in the queue. Every one of them has 2 orders in the queue. What is up with 2? Now you got 5 orders in the queue right there. This guy, right? You can go in there, set up all these gigs right here, selling email copywriting. Use this tool, Email Writer. Go pick this up right now. Go pick this up from AppSumo. You only have 6 days to do it. $59, and you'll have this done for you. Go sell emails and make your first money online. I hope so. There'll be a link below right to this if you want to go pick it up. Now, thanks for watching this. If this brought you any value, make sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to Teach Me Money Methods, because I'm going to continue bringing out really good content just like this that gives you strategies that you can actually go out, implement, take major action on, and go out and start making money online. I'll see you in the next video.